as a country, we would want to assure Kenyans that we have got very good, very robust surveillance systems, and we have heightened our surveillance at every point of entry into our country to make sure that we are able to detect any case of monkeypox entering our country. And I want to also assure the public that we have nothing to worry so far. We have no reported case of monkeypox in Kenya, neither do we have it reported anywhere in East Africa. Actually, monkeypox is a disease that is very prevalent within the West African region, and for the very first time it has moved into Europe. And this is the reason why we hear now, there's a lot of publicity around the monkeypox. And in the event that we should have any monkeypox entering our borders, I would want to assure us that we have put in place a proper response measures, and in fact as a country we are already well positioned. The very same structures, the very same teams that we use to respond to COVID-19 are the very same ones that will be reactivated for purposes of responding to the monkeypox outbreak should it enter our territory.